So, this video is about animation rigging package manager from Unity. It's actually a pretty handy tool that makes you animate inside Unity without using another software like Blender or Maya. You can start like rig it in Maya or Blender and import it to Unity, and now you're ready to go. You can animate. That help you with visualizing your bones and help you make an IK like this one, and you can make much more, like you can make controllers like this, and you can start animate right away. But there is requirements that are version 2019.1 or later, and net for scripting time, right? I'll of course leave this in description, and this is actually a good way to start. This tells you about everything. Not everything, but it's good to go, right? And I'll be teaching you how to make something like this with controllers, and you can make IK like this. You'll make this work, and you can move it wherever you like. You can actually move the head. Uh, you can move the chest, all with controllers, and it's really handy. Like you could start animate right away in Unity. So let's start with a brand new one. But before starting, there is something you should know. Some bugs were reported from Unity from people who was trying to do the work with the package, and some had an issue with the humanoid character. So I think you should avoid doing humanoid rig. So you can rig it in Unity, I mean in Maya. You can rig it in Maya, Blender, any way you want, so you can import it. After that, you can work with it. So let's start brand new. So even I have this rig is humanoid. So if you, I actually change it because I had to do something. If you had like a rig from Maxiamo or Blender, you made Maxiamo, you can actually go show in Explorer. You can copy paste. This is my new character. It's back to generic. Alright. So let's drag this. You can do multiple things. You can prefab um back prefab, and then you can delete the camera endpoint, so it's back to normal. Or you can simply go to copy animation, go to model, import camera lights, remove that, and now you can import it with no problem, right? So let's rig our army. First thing you wanna know is how to install animation rig. This one right here. Go to Windows, um, General, go to Windows, Assets, Package Manager, and make sure to show preview, show dependencies, so you can search for animation rigging, and you should be sure from your Unity version. Mine is 2019.3, so I can do 2019.1 or new. So after do that, you should be able to have this one right here. So I'll make the bone renderer setup. This is the first cool feature that you can see your bones if you want. If you have a simple character, you can just go ahead and simply animate with this rig. However, with complex character, as you see, you can't really see which part is where. So it's better to do the controllers. So we'll be doing the controllers in another video, so make sure to check part 2 of the tutorial. See ya.